Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Info. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Man Was Baby Ending Explained. Rowan Atkinson new comedy wraps up with our warm Christmas twist. Rowan Atkinson's Man Was Baby wraps up with a mix of choice warmth and our final twist. Here's a simple breakdown of the ending and what it means of Bingley's Christmas adventure. Written by Skina Kokiwala Entertainment Journal is published on 12 December 2025. The four-episode miniseries Man Was Baby starring Rowan Atkinson as Bingley closes with a simple and heartwarming ending after a series of chaotic events. The sequel to Man Was Baby does not require any prior knowledge of the original film and it follows Bingley as he unintentionally becomes responsible for an abandoned baby during Christmas. Bingley, now working as a temporary school helper, stumbles upon an attended, unattended baby after a school event. The child is not the one the school expected. Someone has left the infant at the doorstep and disappeared. At the same time, Bingley receives a well-paying house-sitting offer. With his daughter's college fees in mind, he takes the job. He tries calling the police and social services, but the baby keeps hiding or wandering off, leading to several missed opportunities for rescue. At the Bentos, Bingley hides the baby, whom he names Jesus from Petra and supervisor. She assured she assures him and the owners have not visited on Christmas for years. However, Bingley soon finds himself juggling multiple crazes, including a dog swallowing the left key, a homeless couple secretly living in the building, and a mix-up with the social services officer when he accidentally hands over the wrong baby. And despite his best intentions, Bingley's mistakes pile up as he tries to manage feeding, cleaning, and protecting the baby. Here's what happens in the final episode. The tension builds when Petra informs Bingley that the Pentos owners have changed their plans and will be arriving for Christmas. The appointed housekeeper is unable to come because of heavy snowfall, leaving Bingley to prepare everything alone. He decorates the Christmas tree, cooks the feast, and sets up the home, hoping to welcome the couple properly. But the owner never show up. Petra later apologizes for forgetting to tell him their flight was diverted. Bingley is left with a full Christmas spread and no guests to serve until unexpected visitors arrive. Bingley's ex-wife and daughter arrive at the Bentos after their flight gets cancelled. The homeless couple, their baby, and the social services worker also join the gathering. The group shares a peaceful Christmas dinner, bringing closer after all the confusion and mishaps. Just when everything feels settled, the real twist appears. The Panthers owners ring the door to be let in, proving that Bingley's streak of bad luck is not quite over. Also read awaited the last Airbender season 2 Netflix series ends next chapter as fans look ahead to 2026. Credit Netflix. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.